Yeah, it's hitting the bottom of the car. It's getting a lot worse up here. No, it's just a blizzard.
Yeah,
What the fuck are you doing?
You mother...
You're doing good, Sammy. Keep going, buddy.
Hit the gas. Go, hit it. Go, gas it up, brother. Yeah!
Good job.
Perfect!
Good job.
Woo!
Good job.
What a dick.
Oh, that guy's stuck. Oh.
But
That's okay, honey. We'll be stuck too. So
that
you just
motherfucker was going so fast, though, he couldn't stop in time.
Holy shit.
Going way too fucking fast.
Yeah.
Dumbass. If you see a motherfucker all the way down there and you can't stop, you're going too motherfucking fast.